Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Xbox controller not connecting. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to reconnect the controller. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into Bluetooth and device. So once you enter into the Bluetooth and device, just turn on the Bluetooth and it shows your connected devices. Please remove the connected device once and close it and check whether it's running connecting perfectly or not. So if not, follow the second step to restart the Bluetooth services. For that you need to press Windows R and then type services.msc and then hit OK. So over here you need to scroll down and you may see some Bluetooth services like Bluetooth support services. Just restart it. So once it's done, please close it. So we are heading up to the third step to update Windows. For that you need to enter into settings. Over the settings you need to enter into the Windows update. Following, click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. Yeah, if in case it shows any downloads, please do download it and install it. So once it's done, please close it. And the fourth step is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. For that you need to enter into your settings. For the settings you need to enter into your systems and then troubleshoot and then click for other troubleshoots. So over here you need to click run on the Bluetooth. So if in case you had any error, it shows the troubleshoot icon and you can take it forward over there. So once it's done, please close it. Yeah, so now there is no error. So yeah, we close it. And the fifth step is to repair the system file. So for that you need to enter into command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste over there. So it need to be load from 0 to 100, so you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So once it loaded, you need to copy the second prompt in the description and paste it on the command prompt. So same, it need to be low from 0 to 100. It will take 5 to 10 minutes, but once it loaded, please check the status whether it's successful or unsuccessful. If in case it shows any unsuccessful error message, you need to redo the step again after once you restarted your PC. So that's it guys, our last step is to restart your PC. So I hope you enjoyed the video and the issue will be solved. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to YouTube. Bye bye.